Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we got another 5 boxes in 5 minutes. So come on and have a look at all these great boxes I made. Hey guys, box number 1, I call it the X box. It's made of maple and wenge, 3 drawers with a wenge stripe all the way around it. Look at that guys. I'm going to say the word, it pops. It does pop. The wenge drawer has got a white interior and the maple drawers have got a black interior. With rounded corners. What a great looking box guys, what a great looking box. Let's move on. Guys, box number 2, I call it the tub box. It's made of sassafras black heart and red gum with a beech base. Look at that guys. Look at that sassafras black heart. It just pops. Two sliding lids with a red interior. This is another one of my statement pieces box. It just is, this box, it just is. Look at that guys, a great angle on the box. A very unusual box, but it works so well. Okay guys, let's move on. Okay guys, box number 2 is made from an old fence. You can see the palings in the box and the red gum is out of the posts. It's got 2 drawers, 1 each end. Now that's a box. Look at that, very unusual. Just goes to show that you can make a great box out of any timber. Have a look at that guys. Okay, we're moving on. Okay guys, box number 4. I call it the Kandinsky box. Inspired by the artist Wassily Kandinsky. Look at the inlay on the top. It took a long time to do guys. With a white interior and angled sides. Made of Fijian kauri and heaver. Another unusual box, isn't it? But you know me, I like making unusual. Another great looking box guys, look at that. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, box number 5, another unusual box, isn't it? A stack of 3 drawer boxes. All mited on every angle, mited all the way around. Even the drawer front are mited. With wing handles and a red snake going all the way around the box. It was inspired by the old snakes and ladders game, where you got a starting point and the red snake just snakes all the way around the box. Another unusual box guys, isn't it? But that's what my channel is all about, unusual boxes. Okay guys, thanks for watching. You can see all the long versions that I made all these boxes on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and have a look, and you'll be intrigued by the sort of boxes that I make. And that's fun too, fun for everyone. Okay guys, see you in the next episode.